Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. I'm having a psychic reading that this week's model is all about psych.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
If you're not familiar with the TV show Psych, it was this show about a psychic detective and his partner who really did not want a part of it. It went on USA, and my mom and I really enjoyed watching it, and I wanted to make this model for her. This model has a combination of inland yellow and AIO Robotics green PLA. It worked really well together. It had a 205-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and it was printed at 100 millimeters per second. I had never done a two-color print before, so my dad helped me with the color change. This model was made by the Meister over on Thingiverse. The link to it will be in the description.
Suck it, Sean. Suck it. Suck it. You suck it. Suck it.
This is a really cool model. It printed under 10 minutes, and I think my mom will really enjoy this. It was fun to learn about color change on the Prusa. Thanks for tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Alright everybody, what is the difference between snowman and snow women? Snowballs.